Hi everybody, welcome back to Beauty for the Win. Today I want to show you guys how to make edible collagen gummy bears. And this is super simple. You probably have some of this stuff laying at home and it's time to use it. Instead of buying overpriced collagen gummies, you can just make your own at home. And here are the ingredients. So you're going to need sugar-free Jell-O, and today's flavor is cherry. This is the 11.2 gram serving, so it has one packet in it, which is right here. Then you're going to need some gelatin. I really like to use Knox gelatin. It comes with 4 packets in it, but today we're only going to use 3 packets. That's all you need for this. And the next thing would be, let's be careful not to spill this, the fruit juice. 1 cup of fruit juice or 1 cup of water. It's up to you. I find that with the fruit juice it sweetens it up a little bit. I am using peach fruit juice. Also need the molds, of course, the gummy bear molds, and I got these on Amazon. I've already sprayed them with a light coating of cooking oil, and then I wiped off the excess, and a dropper for your gummy bear molds. Okay, so let's get started. So the other thing that you're going to need is the cooking pot for the stove. First thing we're going to do here is pour our fruit juice into the pot. And you're going to add your Jell-O packet. Okay. And you're going to add the gelatin. With the gelatin, you want to sprinkle it on there. It helps the gelatin get in there a lot better here. It smells so good. I can smell the cherry flavor. 1 packet. My camera cut out, but I did add the other 2 packets of the gelatin. So there's 3 packets of gelatin in total here. Now we're going to let this entire mixture sit for 5 minutes. As you can see, it's quite thick. We're going to heat this up on low and continue stirring frequently until everything is liquefied. Okay, so everything is pretty much liquefied. See? So we're going to heat this up for another 5 minutes on low. Whatever you do, do not let this boil. If you boil it, it can totally ruin the entire mixture, so let's just take it slow. I have shut it off. Here we go, nice and liquidy, very hot. So we're gonna take our dropper and we're gonna drop them right into our molds. I actually have 3 trays full. I had 2 full and then I realized there was still more, so 3 trays is just perfect for this recipe. Now let these sit for 10 minutes in the molds. After 10 minutes we're going to put these in the fridge, and you want to leave them in there for 3 hours. After that they should be perfect and ready to try out.